We live in a world with over 7 billion citizens, made up of different classes of people in a total of 195 countries. There are those that try so hard to make a living, others striving to fit into the society, and some distinct group working tirelessly to reach the top. We all have several unmet individual needs, and one in common: energy. We have succeeded in generating energy by burning fossil fuels, but this depletes the ozone layer, and also use other cleaner methods to generate electricity. In spite of this, in 2011, about 2.5 billion of the world's population still don't have access to electricity, causing across Africa, Asia, Latin America, and the Middle East. This has contributed to some of the major challenges some of these areas face, including academic setback. For instance, in 2012, 80% failed WAEC and 72% in 2014. This is partly because of the power failures. How about reliable energy at a reduced cost? In our daily lives, we transport ourselves in different kinds of vehicles. The World Cyclist Data shows that a lot of the world's citizens are cyclists. About 10% are disabled. Even beyond the Earth, the red planet has curiosity search for a new world. It does something like the others, turn wheels. The world requires more energy that is being generated. The question is, can we generate electricity that does not require giant infrastructure and huge budget, that is clean, noiseless, and mobile? Electricity is the answer. This is how it works. The original motion of the wheel is converted to linear force when the wheel comes in contact with this protrusion on the device. The protrusion is then depressed a little inwards to cause a click on the surface of the piezoelectric material. The electricity generated is stored in a battery, but the circuitry enables an AC outlet and a DC outlet as a USB port to charge devices on the go. Generate your own free energy today and save our planet.